So I'm currently replacing the window regulator in this 04 Porsche Cayenne. I bought it and the window just didn't roll down. So we're at this point here. Didn't record any of that. Let me show you what I've done. So what I've had to do so far is you pry this guy back right here. There's 2 screws underneath that. You take off this whole bottom cover underneath here. There's 2 screws underneath that. And there's 2 screws on the bottom. So once you get all that out, there are tons of Torx screws, 4 rivets up here that I had to drill out. There's another one here that I think I'm gonna have to drill out. And then maybe one up there, I'm not sure. So I just started to take this rubber weather stripping off, since the whole door frame has to come off. A little side grinder. Back with a different bit. See that? See it. So I got all the rivets removed and the door panel's pretty loose, but I can't get the lock mechanism out and can't really wiggle it past this area inside the door over here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grind off these 2 rivets. I got a rivet gun. I'm just gonna rivet it back on when it's time to put it back on. So there's one. Just gotta get the other one. Not the cleanest job, but you don't see this anyways. See that guy right there? That's the window motor. Nobody tells you that you have to take it out online, like, you know, clearly. I just found out that you do, just from working on it, so now I gotta take that off. Alright, with the window frame out, I believe all I have to do is take off these 2 screws, and I can take the glass off and drill out these rivets right in here, up there, there's one over there, and I can replace this regulator right here. So here's the new regulator. When I went to Harbor Freight to get the Torx bits, I was just gonna self-drilling screw all these back on, all the rivets that I took out, but they had a rivet gun for 10 bucks with all rivets, so. Alright, I didn't film me putting it back together, but it's really not that hard. I mean, it's pretty much just the opposite of what you did before. All the rivets and screws. It's no fun. It sucks. This is like one of my least favorite jobs I've ever done. But at least I have a working window again now, so you know that's cool. Don't know why it does that.